Hello and welcome to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratick on Sound Health Solution. These days, a lot of people find it difficult to sleep. Sleep is supposed to be one of the most natural phenomena of human life. When it's daytime, you wake up. When it's nighttime, you go to sleep. It's as simple as that. But humans have shortened the duration of nighttime, haven't they? In the past, when electricity was not there and source of light was at its bare minimum, people used to light small candles during the night. And whenever night fell, they would be mentally ready to go to sleep. Their mind, their spirit would tell them, now it's time to rest. But these days, as night falls, we have more sources of light. We have the internet connection. We have clubs and parties. We have Las Vegas. And our mind tells us, night has begun and life has just begun. In fact, these days, people find it comfortable to work at night because during the entire day, they are made to socialize with other people. And when night comes, they can just be with themselves and do whatever they want to do. But this has also created a problem of insomnia and people not being able to sleep. What happens is once you create this as a habit of not sleeping at night, later, even when you want to sleep at night, your body says, hey, but it's not time to sleep already. So in this episode, we'll just speak about how to sleep. This seems a little weird trying to talk about something as natural as sleeping, but here goes. So when we are sleeping, two different kinds of energy are at work. The consciousness energy and the energy of vitality. What happens is when we sleep, our body goes to rest and our mind goes to rest. And all of the mental activity that was happening in our mind gets minimized. And when that gets minimized, our spirit, our body, gets connected to the universal source of energy. That's why you feel revitalized when you wake up the next day. When you sleep on your sides, what happens is the two different kinds of energy, the energy of consciousness and the energy of vitality, form a sheath, a shield, a blanket around your body, which protects you from negative energies. But when you sleep facing the sky, facing the roof, or when you sleep on your stomach, what happens is you are comparatively more vulnerable. When you are not aware, when you're sleeping facing upwards, there's a chance that negative energy might attack you. This is the position where you can lie down and meditate, but falling asleep might sometimes be threatening. The same goes for sleeping on your stomach. So what I tend to do at night is I first sleep on my left side so that the sheath of divine vital consciousness energy gets formed on my body. And then after a while, I sleep on my right side so that the same energy can work on the opposite side of my body. And once I feel rested on both sides, then I turn upwards, then I face the sky, and it gets easier for me to fall asleep. Once you dwell into spirituality a lot, and once you are aware and able to form your shield yourself, then there should no more be danger of sleeping by facing upwards or sleeping on your stomach. But until then, I would suggest that if you practice this left side, right side, and then upwards, it will be very beneficial to you. And similarly, it is not advised to sleep with your head facing the north side, because it interferes with the magnetic lines of your body. The magnetic lines of the earth interfere with the magnetic lines of your body, and you're more prone, you're more vulnerable to negative vibrations. However, if you sleep with your head facing east, that's the best direction to sleep in. That's when your body will be filled with positive vibration, positive energy, and you'll get a much more sound, relaxing and rejuvenating and healing sleep. If you find it difficult to sleep at night, what you can also do is light an incense around your room so that your nose gets exposed to good fragrance, which helps you in falling asleep faster. Or you can talk to yourself, form a superconscious energy inside and talk to that superconscious energy yourself until you fall asleep. Or you could use lavender lotion on your body. Lavender usually makes you fall asleep quicker. And another thing is, everybody likes to go sleep in a warm environment. But in order to do that, if you're finding it difficult to sleep, make sure you go out in the cold for just a little bit, for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then you can come back to the warmth of your bed, and this will make you fall asleep faster and deeper. If you like this video, do not forget to press the like button and leave a comment down below if you think I missed anything. Do not forget to subscribe to us if you like whatever is happening in Sound Health Solution. You and I, together, let's build a community of new age enlightened human beings. Until next time.